our words, breathing and peaceful steps. Let every breath, every word and every step make the Mother Earth proud of us. Thank you.
Everyone, I am here to update you the current news. Pahalgam terrorist attack, 28 dead. Indian Hawk saved the cap on Earth's Day. Jasprit Bumrah and Smriti Mandhana named world top cricketers in Wisdom 2025. Performance across formats. TPS News. As school is organizing a VR tour very soon. There will be an international dance competition on 29th April. Recently our TPSSV school celebrated 9th Founders Day. Thank you.
Are you coughing? Your face looks pale too. 1970 years were so fake. performers. Which class was this now? Need to have your class? Your section? I see 100% participation there. Very good. A huge round of applause for this concept. 100% participation. Thank you. Kudos to ma'am. Kudos to the thought process. Very well done. What else to add on when you have already raised a concern which needs to be addressed in the rightest possible way, because we are all a part of this planet. We're all part of this earth. We're all part of this unit. Whatever we can do, children, we can't do big things, but yes, we can start with small little things, like conserving energy. When you are not using fans and lights, you can switch them off. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I'm proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Well done, children. So